Wow, it's hot. I'm going to melt the copper wire inside the motor into copper. Brick, but last time. My gold melting furnace isn't awesome. Fireproof cotton doesn't have a durable map and doesn't keep warm. This is the Nai soil I bought, a bag of 5 kilograms. There are 5 bags in total. The soil sellers are probably laughing crazy. It's because my stove is too small. So there's no way to melt the soil. This is a 20-liter stainless steel drum. It's because my airbrush isn't awesome. It's not a metal melting spray gun at all. I also bought a burner for this furnace. I really don't want to buy this. That's too expensive, 140. The point is that I think that's all there is to it. He's not worth 140 at all. The structure is simple. But no way. Who can't make it for me? Everything is in place. Then let's make a gold melting furnace, plus today. Before doing it, I'll try this burner first. See where he differs from my spray gun. I really feel it personally. The fire coming out of this burner. With my Wuling spray gun, the fire spewed out is about the same, not even that airbrush. This burner, it's 5 times more expensive than that spray gun. Okay, just start making the stove. This time, are you going to use this bucket as an abrasive tool? Its space and height are just right. Bought another stainless steel hole opener. It's the smaller size, make a hole. Okay, the mouth of the spray gun has been reserved. Now pour the oil out of the oil can. Hey, ha. Like a game bucket. Ha. The abrasives will probably look like this later. Then fill in the cement. Now I need to deal with the bottom of this oil can. Lesson learned from last time. I didn't handle it well last time. Part of the cement bulges out. Okay, this tea has been flattened out. Now let's open the cement. I really don't want to drink new mud. Ah. You want to add more? Okay, hold on. It doesn't seem to be reacting enough. Hey, put your nails up. Add a little more. Delicious! It should be not enough. Not enough. Hey, it's okay, it's okay. I can't hold it anymore. Add a little more water, a little bit. Hey! Let's make this bottom first. Then figure it out now. Burn this. The device is connected to my abrasive tool. Make a mark first. Wow. He's dead. He's dead. Oops, this is dead. What's the date? Wow, so hot, so hot. Wow. Wow, it's so hot, haha. So hot, a little hot. Oh, oops, it's too hot, bro. Hey, what about that mark? What about the mark? Here. Oops, it's going down. Nice. Hey, that's it. That's it, everyone, put it away. Take it out and that's it. This animal. It's not far. This kind is because it's too hot. Flush. Wow. It's so hot. Why is it so hot? What's the situation? What material is this? I don't know. I don't know why he's so hot. Burn it. It's so hot. Can it keep working? It's big. It's big. The third thing is to use it. This glue is all within my plan. Yeah, okay. Keep your mouth tight so the cement doesn't go in. We're out of ammo. Hey! Just nice. The soil is drying up. Hey, perfect. Cement at first. Okay, why add so much water? Hey, just right. There's definitely too much water. There's no cement. Is this only 1 bag or 3 bags? Do you still have too much water? It's better to buy more. It shouldn't be this thing. No less, it's not good, it's good. Hey, my hand is really going to break. Uneven mixing this. Even professional. Cement has that kind of vibrating thing. Just stir it evenly. Well, try this. Haha, you don't want it anymore. You don't want it anymore. What is this for pulling the hips? Wig. Haha. Your vibration is completely useless. Well, almost this. Almost fast. Quick poke. Poke it over. Not enough, bro. How many bags of soil are there? 1 bag and 1.5 bags. Shit. This soil doesn't seem to be enough. 1.5 bags aren't enough. The lid is gone. No lid. I'm still not enough. No, son, no need. What do you do with the lid? Buy again. Hey, this height. He's right about this. Height. Just used up all of this bottle. This height is right. Still need to buy another bag of pot lids. Wow. How can I take it out after this? Oops, I bought 25 kilograms of soil. 25 kilograms of soil are all used in it. This bucket is 50 or 60 caddies. How can I take it out in the future? This bucket is heating up now. Oh my god. Will it explode? Okay, the gold melting furnace plus half is ready. It didn't roll over. Don't say I'm a hand-me-down anymore. Compare the first and second generation gold melting furnaces. It's a world of difference. I think molten copper bricks are already a small case. Now this cement. It's been more than 2 hours since I filled it out. The temperature of this bucket is getting higher and higher. It was a fever just now. It's hot now. I'm really a little worried if he will be there at night. Then today's video water is over here. The bronze bricks are just around the corner. See you next time, bye.